Before making any adjustments, it is always recommended to disconnect the power to your cabinet. It is always best to clean your refrigerator or freezer when the product load in your cabinet is at its lowest level. To clean the interior and exterior of the cabinet, remove all product and set aside. Open all drawers and allow the cabinet to reach room temperature. Once the cabinet has reached room temperature, remove the drawer cage assembly. The drawer cage assembly will consist of 2 drawers and the cage with the center cross mullion. Open the top drawer, slide the locking clips forward and down at the back on both sides and remove the drawer. Repeat to remove the bottom drawer. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws and slide the drawer cage out and set it to the side. Washing with a mild soap and warm water solution is recommended for cleaning the metal surfaces of your cabinet. This should be followed by cleaning with a baking soda solution consisting of 3 tablespoons of baking soda to each quart of warm water. Wipe down thoroughly with a damp cloth or sponge that has been soaked in clean water and wrung out thoroughly, then dry with a clean soft cloth. Never use harsh detergents, cleaners, scouring powders, or chemicals when cleaning your model. Failure to dry the interior surfaces after cleaning may result in streaking or staining of the metal. Reinstall the drawer cage by positioning the drawer cage in front of the cabinet opening. Lift the cage above the trim along the bottom of the opening so it is aligned to go straight into the cabinet. Carefully slide the drawer cage into the cabinet opening. With the cage assembly properly in place, locate the 4 mounting holes along the front sides of the cage assembly. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully screw the 4 screws, securing the front of the cage to the inside of the opening and tighten without stripping the screws. Insert the top and bottom drawers, locking the slide clips on the left and right sides. Open and close both drawers several times, making sure you have a good gasket seal. It is good to clean and inspect the gaskets often. Use a warm soapy solution and cloth or a soft bristle brush, making sure you dry all surfaces after cleaning. Inspect the gasket for any tears or damage, and if replacements are needed, contact the factory with the cabinet model and serial number found on the inside wall of the cabinet. You should check and clean the condensate drain pan. If the drain pan appears to be full of water, that is an indication that the drain hole is blocked and should be cleared. The drain hole is located in the back corner of the condensing unit section behind the condensing unit. Using a straw or similar size item, push through the hole to drain and clear the obstruction. The most important thing you can do to maintain any refrigerator and extend its life is to keep the condenser clean. Performance of the air-cooled condensing unit, located on the side of the cabinet, depends exclusively upon the amount of air passing through the condenser fins. Your refrigerator will run more efficiently, consume less energy, and provide a maximum of trouble-free service throughout its lifetime if the condenser coil is kept clean and an adequate supply of clean, cool air is provided at all times. Periodically, at least once a month, it is important to inspect the condenser coil for any debris or blockage that may have accumulated. Use a soft bristle brush in a downward motion to wipe away any debris from the condenser fins. A shop vac or compressed air may also be used. In some severe or greasy conditions, a chemical degreaser may be needed, but you must place something under the cabinet to catch the liquid. Be sure to flush the condenser coil and areas with clean water to remove any excess chemical cleaner. It is also important if anything is sprayed into the condenser area, nothing comes in contact with any electrical components. Also, check the condenser coil for any paper or dirt before calling for warranty service, as preventative maintenance is not considered a warranty-covered item. Never install a condenser filter on the condenser coil, as this will hinder airflow and may affect your warranty. It is also good to inspect the casters to be sure they are tight and flush with the bottom of the cabinet, as they may loosen when moving the cabinet from one location to another. Check all components to be sure they are secured properly and nothing seems loose. Once inspection is complete, restore power to the cabinet. Continental Refrigerator warrants to the original purchaser of every new cabinet a 3-year parts and labor warranty with an additional 2-year compressor warranty from the date of installation. The warranty does not include adjustments, calibrations, gaskets, light bulbs, or anything related to preventative maintenance. This warranty also does not cover improper operation resulting from negligent cleaning and maintenance, low or high voltage conditions, inadequate wiring, and also does not cover product loss. When considering a Continental refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.